Yeah, she sees my face, bro. Shout out to my mom, dog. You know, I be saying, yeah. I know you don't know what's going on, but for sure, I appreciate that view. Cause she always tells me, I saw your face. I'm like, for sure. Yeah. Yo, what up, family? It's your boy CP, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean, man? And yeah, we back. Let me talk about last week, yeah, before I hop into this week. Last week, looking at the video just in front of you. Okay, I didn't need to say that, but yeah. Um, you see, last week, Sunday, I predicted that, what is going on? I predicted that, the price is gonna break to the downside, or should I say to the downside if it breaks this little support that it was rejecting there. You see what I'm saying? But unfortunately, we didn't, and this happened on Monday. It couldn't break. It was giving me rejection wicks, so which invalidated my bias of shorts. So let's change the whole structure. You know what I'm saying? Because right now it has broken the weekly trend line. But yeah, we'll get to that. And then we hop on to, you know what I'm saying, Euro USD. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Let me just give you last week's recap, quick. You know what I'm saying? So last week was somewhere around this region right here, right? So I had said that, price needs to retrace down and then shoots up. So what price did, didn't do that, and then it broke my support because remember I'd seen a double bottom. You know what I'm saying? So it broke my support. So once it broke my support, my whole bias changed, and then which I'll explain in a few minutes later. And then we get to, what is it? Gold. Yeah, gold. Gold. Yeah. Okay, for gold, I remember I hit this on the 15-minute chart. Let me just, yeah, I hit it on the 15-minute chart. I did, I saying. So, so, come on, man. Can you please load, bro? Okay, there we go. All right. So on the 15, okay, so last week Sunday, yeah, when I did last week's analysis, price was actually on this candle here. You know what I'm saying? I said once we break out to the upper side, we're gonna get a retest, and then we shoot up until the 1265 level, and that's exactly what it did. And then I had also sent out a couple of analysis on my Telegram channel, which is down on the link or down below on the link. You know what I'm saying? So before we start, I want you to like this video. You know what I'm saying? Share it, and subscribe, because I know some of y'all haven't subscribed. So let's do that, and then we'll get back to it. You know what I mean? All right, we back. You know what I'm saying? All right. So before I continue, or should I say before I start? Yeah, whatever it is. But yeah, I want you guys to like this video. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. You know what I'm saying? Because you be watching my videos every week. You know what I'm saying? So just subscribe to the goddamn channel. Come on, please do that. Do it for the fam. And then comment down. You know what I'm saying? Just comment down. Comment what how I should how I should improve my vids. You know what I'm saying? What content to bring for you guys? What for example, what educational topics should I talk about? Anything, you know what I'm saying? Just put down in the comments, you know what I mean? But and I want you to do something for me. One more thing. I want you to refresh the page. Okay, refresh it like 2-3 times. But refresh it, then wait for the page to load, and then the video to play, then refresh it again, and then you'll be done. Trying to get the views up. You know what I'm saying? Trying to beat the system. You know what I'm saying? But all right, let's go. So we have DXY in front of us there. So I'm gonna go back to my monthly time frame. You know what I'm saying? I wanna go back to my monthly time frame. Okay, and then by the looks of things, there, uh, by the look of things, price may be a bit bearish. I mean, price may continue to be bullish, but I'm, but I'm not saying it's gonna become bullish. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying that. You know what I'm saying? But last month's candle, it closed bullish, so I should be still expecting bullish momentum, even from what happened this past week. It has it has kind of shifted my structure from what I thought it was last week to right now. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna show you a few. So what I'm really talking about. So the monthly, you know what I'm saying? I see as bullish as hell, as I said also in my previous video. But then just that last week's candle, it's engulfing. You know what I'm saying? And an engulfing candle sort of is most of the time, correct. You know what I'm saying? Like it's strong and stuff. You know what I'm saying? So that so last week's candle, it's sort of gonna be thinking like, mhm, you know what I'm saying? Let go. You know what I mean? Like USD is still on this rampage going up. You know what I'm saying? So this is what I did. I just analyzed it on the weekly. You know what I'm saying? Took my fib, took it at the previous high, you know what I'm saying, and then the previous low, you know what I'm saying? Because for me, first of all, this is a falling wedge indicating trend reversal going up, right? But I just believe that for right now, I mean, for now, price is just retracing back around that region before continuing the downward movement, you know what I'm saying? So where am I saying price is gonna go to, right? Normally after every wedge breakout, price normally goes to around the 0.618 region. Why I'm saying this is because because of previous price movements on other currency pairs have sort of added to why I believe that that theory is correct. You know what I'm saying? So I believe that this retracement, what I'm saying, may continue, may continue. I mean, no, the retracement is done. Price may still continue its upward movement up until the 0.618 region. You are saying, but that's just using fibs. So let's break it down to daily and 4 hour and see what exactly we're talking about. You know what I'm saying? But for me, USD is way more than bullish. Yeah, yeah. So we get to the daily. We get to the daily. You know what I'm saying? Um, let me just zoom out. Yeah, let me zoom out. We get to the daily, and right now I believe this area around here. This area around here. We are just getting a corrective structure. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing that we should be really thinking about doing while price is still within here, because you wouldn't want to be trapped in consolidations. You'd rather wait for breakouts and trade the breakout. So while price is still within this corrective structure, it's best for you to just stay out. You know what I'm saying? And it may take a couple of days, or price may still may break out in a couple of days too. You know what I'm saying? It just depends on the market momentum. All right. So daily showing rejection at the top there. You know what I'm saying? Maybe may show us another pull to the downside before continuing the pull up. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just draw a couple of my lines. Okay, my trend lines to be exact. Yeah, I'm saying. Mhm. Yeah, 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 yeah. So okay, simple. So yeah, yeah, yeah. Yep. So for me, this looks like an ascending triangle. Maybe price may come back to around back to reach this to retest the trend line, you know what I'm saying? But I doubt it'll break. But once it breaks, then we're going down. But while it's still within this corrective structure, and while it hasn't broken the above resistance, stay away from it, because it's just gonna keep on going up and down, up and down for you. You know what I'm saying? And it's gonna be consolidating. You don't want to be trapped in consolidation. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, there we go. Let me zoom out. Come on, man, bro. Can you zoom out? You know what I'm saying? Okay, there we go. That's the structure right there. You know what I'm saying? We have that big bearish engulfing candle. You know what I'm saying? That could indicate something. You know what I'm saying? Maybe price may come and break, but you know what we do. Wait for that breakout, then retest. Because you don't want to be caught inside this. You know what I'm saying? So rather wait for the breakout of this line and then the retest. Because the retest is one of the most important things. Because the retest shows that previous resistance has now become support, or is now being tested to become support, or vice versa. Previous support is now being tested to become resistance. Because once you break support, you have to go back and retest that support you break to make it oh, no, no, I mean, sorry. Once you break resistance, you have to go back down to retest that previous resistance to make it support and continue going back up. So you know what I'm saying? So if you don't get a retest, don't bother. You wouldn't want to catch a fall in life. So while price is still within this region, don't be involved in it. Rather wait for the breakout. Breakout is on either side. I'll keep you guys updated on on the Telegram channel. You know what I'm saying? So right now it's a bit indecisive. You know what I'm saying, for the USD, for the US dollar index. But this is what I believe is gonna happen. I just wanna come back here, retest that, and then we shoot back up. But let me just see what I can do. I shoot back up. Once we shoot back up, we are gone. You know what I'm saying? That's what I believe is gonna happen. That's what I believe is gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? So we just need to wait for it. But in the meantime, let's analyze the other similar pairs. We start off with the Euro USD. You know what I'm saying? Euro USD, yeah. Okay, with Euro USD, wait, I'm just checking out something. Yeah, with Euro USD, it's I had thought, the previous support there, the one for last week, is gonna be, pretty strong, but it got it got broken. So clearly, I don't know what the USD wants from me. So I think it just wants my money. That's it. Cause I screw the Euro USD, but you know what I'm saying, it's nothing. Um. Yeah, Euro USD. Let me start it off on the weekly. You know what I'm saying? Let's see how last week was. Let me draw my weekly. Let me draw my trend line first. Okay. Drew my trend line. Yes, okay. So just first of all, let's look at it on the weekly, man. Like on the weekly, price is just giving me trend rejection wicks. You know what I'm saying? Like price is rejecting, but this could also mean that this coming week we may possibly get a nice nice breakout candle to the downside. Nice, I'm talking about a nice long ass candle. You know what I'm saying? So that would possibly mean strong US dollar. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not saying that's gonna happen, but that could possibly mean. I mean that could possibly happen, given that last week's candle, it almost engulfed the previous candle, but it didn't though. Even though I get in even though I get in trend rejection wicks, just know that market makers could be doing that to make you guys think that we're actually going long. Matter of fact, we're actually gonna break that support, or that trend line support, and we're gonna go short. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, let's get back. So daily, daily. This is the structure. Price is rejection this trend line, right? That's the first thing that I see. And then let me see if I see any trend lines. You know what I'm saying? Okay, that's my first trend line. Alright, alright. There's no other trend line. My trend line is just support, you know what I'm saying? So maybe what could happen is, yeah, let me do this. Wait, where's that line I used? Oh my god. Oh yeah, it's this one. Um, yeah, screw it, man. Screw it. But yeah, there we go. To the next. Yeah, bro. Then let's confirm with this. Oof, nice. 618. Awesome. Yeah. So this is what I expect to happen to price to go back, retest, and come shooting down. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying it's gonna happen, but to me, price right now is sort of looking like it's forming like a descending triangle. You know what I'm saying? Descending triangles are trend continuation patterns, right? Only up until we get a daily close, uh, b- a, a daily closure break above this trend line. Then I'm gonna change my. Then I'm gonna change my my perception or my bias. But for now, I think this is what's gonna happen. So whatever you trade the breaker, don't be caught up in the whole in the whole consolidation. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's check out the 4 hour. Maybe the 4 hour is saying something. Yeah, simply for me, this is what I expected, to bounce off, hit there, and then continue going down. Maybe I'm crazy, I don't know, but that's what I expected to do. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna wait for it and see what's gonna happen. USDJPY. Yeah, 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 you know what I'm saying? All right. We back. Okay, I'm sorry for doing those whatever, you know what I'm saying, type of things. Wasn't on it wasn't on purpose, you know, purpose. All right. Um, okay. First of all, I'm gonna start off on the weekly because I want to show you guys what I was talking about. Oops, what I was talking about. Start off on the weekly, start off on the weekly, start off on the on the weekly, start off on the. I think I used this line. Ouch. Yeah, I think that's my line. And guys, just from this, right? You know what I'm saying? It broke out like it just pierced through like a mother nature. You know what I'm saying? So I expect a little retest before continuing to go up. But for this pair, my bias is just shooting up north. You know what I'm saying? Up north, north. So a young retest may occur up, back to the trend line and everything. But let's see on the 4 hour, everything's much more visible on the 4 hour. On the 4 hours, yeah, it's much more visible, so I can exactly see what I can expect their retest to be. I'm gonna take my Fibonacci boys. You know what I'm saying? Oh, come on, man. Yeah, and then I'm gonna hit it up there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you see, maybe yeah, price is gonna come back to my retail, to my trend line, somewhere around here. Yeah, say let me do this. Somewhere around back to my trend line, you know what I'm saying? Price is gonna retest back to my around the 0.5 or 0.618 fib, and then we back. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go back. And then I think the last resistance for that, it's somewhere around here. So yeah, it's oh sorry, somewhere around here. Somewhere around here, you know what I'm saying? So I think yeah, somewhere around there. So if it doesn't break this strong support or this support, then we're going up. You know what I'm saying? We're going up. Sure. Then I'm gonna hit what? Oh, the gold. Before I do that, let me auto scale so it doesn't do some other things. Gold, I like to hit it up on the 15-minute chart, but oh sorry, I ain't gonna go there. I ain't gonna go there. All right. Uh, yeah. Okay. Ooh, I'm trying to make it precise as hell. I think it's precise enough. Yeah, I think it's precise enough. All right. So I had this little trend line that I had, and price it's broken. You know what I'm saying? Like gold is gonna fall. You know what I'm saying? And if you guys noticed, everything has been pointing to the dollar strength. Just for me, it's because of last week, right? So if this week doesn't pull no other type of crazy things whereby it become makes the dollar become weak, then we are on for some long-term strength from the US dollar. You know what I'm saying? So let's see what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? Before, please like, share, subscribe for the video. I mean, subscribe on my channel. You know what I'm saying? We family, we go in. You know what I'm saying? These 30-minute vids don't come from nothing. We go in, we dissect the chart. Yeah. Okay. In the meantime, while let me just load up the news pay, the news site. Okay. So XAA USD. Mm, on the weekly, it looks like that candle shows me it's about to break the weekly candle, you know what I'm saying? And then we have look what it's doing on the yeah, I had to just tell my mom something because she was trying to call me, but yeah, told her I'll call her back, just hit those message things. All right, so if you look at my gold chart right now, it's just at the support, just at the support. You know what I'm saying? This is just at the support. You know, it's just at the support. So I'm maybe we may get a retest or a pullback, but I'm still rooting for gold to still going down. You know what I'm saying? Because let me just do this. This is our little support. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? So I know once we break that support, we're going down to 1208. Trust me. So now let's look at it in the 4 hour. 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we'll see some patterns. We'll see everything. We'll see the 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 little retracements, the everything. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Um, to me, it's just pointing down, 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 down. Let me see let me see the time frame. Because it shows me something always. Okay, you see what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Now I see something. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Let me see something. All right. I don't think we need this line. Yeah, one of corrective structures. Oh, sorry, another corrective structure. I don't know what's up with this cursor, man. Trading V, I need to do something with. I don't know what going on. Yeah, yeah, another corrective structure. You know what I'm saying? So I believe price action is just gonna do this, shoot there, then retest that bad B. You know what I'm saying? And then continue going back down. So this is what I'm talking about. I'm trying. Okay, yeah, yeah. Here's what I'm talking about, man. This is always the thing that happens. You know what I'm saying? This is this is it. Corrective structure broke it. Went to retest where where it broke out at this area. Came to retest the support, made a double top, came breakout. So now I expect the retest back to around this region, but most probably it may retest this line. Probably not, but at the end of the day, we are still we are still dollar shorts. I mean no, dollar long, so which means gold shorts. But we also have a little trend line young team there. Find a boost there. Something like here. So say something like that. Maybe it may just test that line. Maybe it may not even go that high. It may go back test this line, then shoot down. But we're still going down at the end of the day. Yeah. On the news side, oh my god, on the news side, tomorrow we have core retail sales for the USD. It doesn't scare me. It's nothing that much. But yeah, core retail sales they may provide a bit of movement. Tomorrow, Fed chair doesn't matter for the USD. Carnivally speaking, probably that could matter. You know what I'm saying? Um, for the GBP Wednesday, CPI, yeah. Then Wednesday also for the USD, yeah, it's gonna be a nice afternoon. GMT +2. Thursday, Australian and GBP. Yeah, I think that's chilling. Friday, CAD core retail says you're gonna get a movement there. I know for sure. I know for sure. But Famo, thanks for everything, man. Come back with that fire. I also want to create. I mean, I also want to start making like another like let me say 2 weekly vids, one Sunday, one midweek. You know what I'm saying? I'm just thinking about that. Maybe it's a good idea. Tell me what you guys think. You know what I'm saying? Apart from that, CPFX, we out.